Time once again for The Law and You on a Saturday morning, featuring attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, thanks for being here so bright and early.
Absolutely. Thanks for the coffee.
Of course, we only brew the best here at the station.
It's great.
Very good.
All right, let's get to our question this morning. This is from Jean in Frackville. She says, I was the victim of a sexual assault at work. Do I have the legal right to know the individuals who were interviewed during the investigation? I am not sure this investigation was handled fairly. I did press criminal charges as well. What can Jean in Frackville do?
Well, Gene, to answer your question, do you have the legal right to know the individuals that were involved in the investigation? The answer would be yes, but you're going to have to most likely file a lawsuit in order to get that information. Your employer is not going to just voluntarily turn over that information absent a court order or absent the rules of discovery in a civil proceeding. So when you ask the question, do you have the legal right? The answer to that would be yes. But in order to get that information, you are going to have to get an attorney and file a case against your employer to get that information. And
that Ed mentioned pretty much everything on the civil side of the case. Now, you also indicated you filed criminal charges. So when the criminal charges are done, let's say assume it's the district attorney's office. The district attorney's office is going to conduct their own investigation. They're going to interview the people within your prior workplace. They'll talk to the owners. They may even be able to get that information. So, again, you have two different types of cases going on, but, usually in the criminal case, I would think a lot of that stuff would come up. I mean, they're not going to, if there's a pending investigation, they're going to overlap. Will you be given those? Maybe, maybe not. That's up to the investigator. With an open prosecution going on, probably not, though. You have to wait.
All right, some good advice. Our viewers that may need your legal help, what's the best way to reach you?
They call us at 570-714-HURT. See us on the web at 714hurt.com.
Did you answer in the hotline tonight? All week he's excited
I'm around.
about it.
He loves it.
He loves it. Or go to our Facebook page. If you have a question, put it on our page. We'll do our best to answer it on an upcoming segment.
Tell you, nothing makes Greg smile like knowing he has to answer the hotline.
See, look at him.
Look at that grin.
I like talking to our people.
I understand. All right, Results Matter attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Gentlemen, thanks. We'll see you again next time.
Take care.
PAHomepage.com or the hotline are open to get your question here on The Law and You.